Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change language on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to change your Facebook app language, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app, and here just tap on the menu option in the bottom right, and here you just have to look for the language option. So sometime you might get it here, or you just have to tap on the settings and the privacy, and you will get the language option here, the app language. You just have to select that option, and here just select language, and you have to select any language from here. Let's say I'm gonna select any one from here. Let's say this one. So once you have selected your language will be automatically changed in your Facebook app. So this was only for your iPhone. If you are using any Android, so you just have to simply go to menu option, and here tap on settings and privacy, and just select the language option, and your language will be directly changed from here in your Android phone within your iPhone. You just have to go to app settings, and in app setting you can change your language. So in this way you can easily change language on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.